If you're experiencing pending transfers on Amazon Prime, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transfer status. Log into your Amazon account and navigate to your orders section. Check the status of the pending transfer to see if there are any specific issues noted. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Amazon customer support. You can do this through the help section on the website or app, where you can chat or call for assistance. Step 4. Update account information. Sometimes outdated account information can cause issues. Make sure your billing address and other account details are current and accurate. Step 5. Wait for processing. If you've confirmed everything is correct and contacted support, give it some time. Transfers may take a few hours to process, so check back later to see if the issue has resolved itself. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Amazon Prime. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.